Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Olymp trade discount promo codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is open up any web browser and head on over to Google. And then we need to type in Olymp trade promo code, then hit enter. Then from here, we'll be taken to Google search results where we can see a few different third-party sites offering these different discounted promo codes. So worth the penny. If we scroll down, we've got a few more here. We've got grabon.in, even got GitHub, worth the penny again. But one I like to use is worth the penny. So let's go ahead and have a look at their promo code discount codes. These codes do change from time to time and they do expire as well. So if any code doesn't work, just move on to the next code. All right, so I'm inside Worth the Penny and it's got today's best offer, 50%. And it's the good thing about Worth the Penny, they got some stats on these codes here. So they've got 93 people have used this with an 83% success rate. So from here, simply click on the code and then click on here where it says click to copy the code and start saving. Click on copy code. Now paste that code over at Olympic Trade to enjoy 50% discount.